These crows have been flying over for over a minute now, just continual.
Never seen so many crows.
Now I agree with you. Now that the flow's been going this long, I haven't seen this many either. It reminds me of the bats in Austin that we've seen.
A lot of crows. A lot. And what's a flock of crows called? Murder.
Is that the end?
Oh, they're still coming. Still coming.
What's in that thing? Doesn't sound like a Toyota. Hello. This sounds like a GMC.
Wow, that was a lot of crows. Dang.
That's it, huh?